Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, June 30th. It's the end of the day, or end of the quarter and end of the month. And we're going to take a look here at a trade I'm in right now that is in you. We've been swinging this long since last week, and it's played out really well. Actually, we've been in it for a little over that, a little longer than that. But one of the things we were watching with NU is this support here, and you can see if you use the cycle candles indicator, you can see we kept having a bullish engulfing hammer pattern, and we had another engulfing here showing up. We had strength and momentum coming across using the MQ super momentum, and then we kept getting these bottoming tails, just lots of support. So we were long from around the $12 area with stops below these pivot lows. So our stops were down below the 1170 area, and it's played out really well. Our first target was the trend line test, which we hit. And then we poked through and hit the pivot high. So that was where we exited our original position. And then we added back on to this position on Friday. And we're still in those calls right now. And I'll show you what those look like at the moment. Again, we added these on Friday. So I've scaled out some so far today, but it's the $15 or the $14 August 15th Cs currently up just under 30% on them for the remaining amount. But the next step for NU is we need to get a breakout above 14 and then 1408. We get through there, we should see a push up to the 1450 area pretty easily. And then once we're through 1450, we're up to 15, and then a gap fill all the way up to 15 and 3/4, just about 1550. So that's this gap back here. So that's what I'm watching for, but so far looking good. I'm just managing, the way I'm managing this trade right now is stops for the current position are below this hammer we had the other day at $13. And I'll just trail stops up below each consecutive high or low on the dailies for the remainder of this trade. But that's it for now. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. And again, if you want these cycle candles indicator, that's what's pointing out all these, the E's are bullish engulfing patterns, for example, that have a bullish cycle showing up as well. And you can see they've worked out really well coming across here for entries. But if you're interested in that, it's available at basecamptrading.com. But that's it for now. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.